This video is going to be about exporting high resolution probe data during a parametric sweep. And this is a tip that we discovered when we realized that if you want to develop an accumulated probe table, that it doesn't export the full resolution that you requested under updating probes at time steps taken by solver. Sure. Basically, the process breaks down into 3 steps. First, making sure that under results while solving, you have update at set to time steps taken by solver. Second step is under the export feature that you generate a table export feature and then point to the table as probe table 1 and then set the file name for where you want that high resolution probe data to save to during the solution process. And then finally, right-click on Parametric Sweep under Job Configurations, go through the Results tab, click Export to File, and then point in the Settings window, point the Run menu drop down to the Table 1 Export feature. You can either uncheck Clear Previous or not. And I like to select Add Parameters to File Name, Parameter Name and Value. And then when you run the Parametric Sweep, you'll get the high resolution time steps taken by solver probe data exported in separate text files. As you can see here, 3 different text files for each parametric sweep value ranging from 1 up to 1.1 here. And it will save those files. So I hope this tip has been helpful to you. And that's it for now. Thank you.